state is geared up for the snow. The Department of Transportation has its crews ready to respond quickly. NBC Connecticut's Mike Massaro joining us live in Newington. Mike, what is the DOT saying right now?
Well, they are ready to go. That's what they're saying. They've been pre-treating state roads and highways for the past couple of days, but it's a much bigger project than that. They also need to get their people ready and, of course, get their sizable fleet ready to hit the roads. More than 630 snowplows. That's how many vehicles the state's Department of Transportation has been prepping for the weekend.
Everything fueled up and ready to go.
Those trucks will be operated by drivers like Danny Ortiz. He's been a plow driver for 2 years and knows he needs to be ready for anything this storm throws his way.
Once we get that phone call, it's showtime and try to do our best to protect the public and clean up the roads as much as we can.
Although plow crews will be working hard to clear roads, drivers bear some responsibility too.
I think I'm careful, but I don't know about the people around me, so you have to drive for yourself and others.
On behalf of plow drivers like Ortiz and others, the state is reminding people how to drive near a snowplow. They advise against passing one, especially on the right side, and recommend a 3-car length following distance.
The most dangerous thing that can happen is people trying to crowd the plows and trying to pass our snow plows while they're doing their jobs on the roads.
Ideally, though, the state is urging people to avoid driving at all, if possible.
Once the emergency is declared, stay off the roads. Makes it a lot easier, quicker, and safer for us to get the roads plowed so you can get back in the game thereafter.
Yeah, so that's the message from the governor. He would like people to stay off the roads if at all possible. He was also asked if he anticipates any travel bans. He said no, not at this point, but the state is continuing to monitor the situation and will watch it closely throughout the duration of the storm. Now, one thing that the State Department of Transportation is also dealing with is a snowplow driver shortage. Now, coming up at 6, we'll tell you how they anticipate that impacting the management of this storm. For now, we're live in Newington. Mike Massaro, NBC Connecticut News. Back to you guys.